Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna look at the UK round 3. It's coming home from Benjamin Weber or Benjamin Weber, as I would say. And yeah, I'm not gonna do everything. I just want to try the last level um, to practice. Yeah, so what we have is we have penalties and we have the starting shot and the direction the keeper saves from. And it's in this time the shot gets adjusted depending on whether you scored or you didn't score. And that's quite easy with a model, but I want to try to get better with single cell stuff, so I'm gonna, well, do exactly that. So I need that as well. Well, good start. Or maybe like that. So here I can see, so England shot 1 goes down left, I would say. The save goes down right. So if I check, that would be a save, which is now first penalty is saved. Nice. So I'm gonna, well, I don't have lambdas, so I'm gonna try to just do it without. What I want to do is I think that, I don't know, me text split. I want to wrap that. So vir is wrap calls this time, I think, A2. If I do it like that, now I have 1, 3, 5, and so on. So I have this per row, and now I can do a reduce or a by row, which I don't have, so I want to reduce with the sequence to do that. Yeah, so I guess what I want to do now is I want to reduce. You always should start with something, because if you don't, the first element of the array gets put in as the answer, so I'm starting with nothing. Then what I want to do is I have 2 fields, so I need a sequence of 2. I don't need the sequence function for that because that is overkill. And now I'm pretty much want to get the first one here and that, and I'm gonna try if I get the gold. So I'm just gonna do it quite easily. So index those 0, right? That gives me the first one. Then I'm doing 0. The sequence would be index where, which column is that, and all rows. So probably like that. And then I have lambda IC. So now I have a reduce, which is going for team 1 and team 2. And then I have reduce, which starts with a shot. And I'm gonna, well, here are the goals. And now I'm gonna just check if it's a goal. Then I take the next shot and I'm gonna keep the goals running so that I can just take the sum or max or anything of that. That's the idea. So I would say I'm gonna make it quite easy. I don't need to stack anything more, though I want to let maybe shot is index I, well, 1, I guess. And, well, the gold is index I2. I don't know why I'm struggling here, but already. But yeah, so now I have that. What I want to do now is I have my shot and I need to check if it's saved, right? So what would save it? So would save, or let's just call it WO for would saved. That is, let's just do, I don't know, XLOOKUP is fine. Shot in this shot from this one, locking both. So saved. That is if my would save equals my current shot, which is C, right? And now what I can do is I can destack. And I need to XLOOKUP anyway. I need to XLOOKUP this in here. And now it depends on if I'm saving, right? So if I'm saving, so if save, then I'm gonna do here, otherwise I'm gonna do here, lock. So this is my next shot, and now I know my goals, it's go, and I want to do it, if it's saved, it's not a goal, right? So I can do +1 minus save, I guess. Let's see. Maybe not. Okay, so that looks good, but I don't have the first one now. Well, I can just say, I guess, let's just say max or sum, it doesn't matter. Right, now like that. And now I can say well, I end. And now I don't think that there are more than 2 golds, so I can now replace, let's see, 2, 0, B. Okay, that was easier than expected. So that was a short video then. Thanks for watching and yeah, have a nice day.